This is my review for Herbishh, and I can't be any happier because it saves me money, trips to the salon, just because it's a shampoo color and it works so well on my hair. Mine is a color brown, as you can see. I don't have any grays, but the sample that I got is black. So basically all you want to do is make sure on dry hair you apply the shampoo 5 to 15 minutes. I like to leave it 15 minutes because my grays are stubborn. And then also I like to use my gloves while I do that. And then right after that, I finish with this mask that has argan oil and keratin and lavender oil, and it's going to protect, like, leave my hair so soft and moisturized. As you can see, it's shiny, and you don't have to go, besides washing your shampooing your head at home, you're covering grays. So it's super, it's useful, it's helpful. If you don't want to go to the salon, you don't have to. The package comes with many, so you have several there to do that and to do it at the comfort of your house. Thank you for watching.